So expected value, many occasions people would like to predict how likely they are to gain or lose when they make certain decisions or take a certain action. This is done by computing the mean of a random variable. In such situations, the mean is called the expected value. So it is the same thing as the mean. It's done the same way. It's just called something different. So we'll do two examples of expected value. Okay, so for this example, a raffle's held, there's 500 tickets sold. Each ticket costs $4. There's two prizes, a computer, $600 computer, a $1,000 TV. What's the expected value or the average gain or loss per ticket? Well, what are your outcomes? You could lose, win a computer, or win a TV. So if you lose, how much money are you losing? If the tickets are $4 and you lose, you lost $4. If you won the computer and you spent $4 on a ticket and the computer was worth $600, you are up $596. If you win the TV, you're going to be up $996 because it's worth $1,000 and you spent $4. What's the probability of each thing happening? There were 500 tickets sold. There's only two prizes. That means there's 498 out of 500 losing tickets. There's 1 out of 500 winning computer ticket. There's 1 out of the 500 tickets that's the winner TV ticket. To get the expected value, or the mean, I need to take the random variable times each probability. So I'm leaving it as a fraction. If I do -4 times this fraction, I multiply the tops. -4 times 498 out of 500. Here, this is positive. It'll be positive 596 times 1 out of 500. Positive 996 out of 500. Then I'm going to add that column up to get my expected value. If I'm adding fractions with a common denominator, I'm simply adding the numerators, keep the bottom. -400 out of 500. Top divided by bottom. That's a loss, expected value of a loss of 80 cents per ticket. Let's do another expected value problem. It's about an investment for a mining venture. I had a probability of 0.4 of a $30 million loss. So we got to set up our random variable x's, which is our gains or our losses, and our probabilities of each. To get the average, I need to multiply those. So 0.4 or 40% of a $30 million loss, that's negative. Well, there's a 50% chance of a $20 million profit. %10 chance of a $40 million profit. So 90, 100, so this is 100%. It adds up to a whole. Now multiply. This is, I didn't put my negative in there, it should have been negative. That's a loss. Here we got 20 times 0.5, gain of 10, 40 times 0.1, 4, expected value, which is the same thing as the mean, is the sum of this column, negative 12 plus 10 plus 4 is a positive 2. So a 2 million, expected value of a $2 million profit or gain.